Hi, this is Clarence. CL Project Design have the competition upgrade spring set for ASG Dan Wesson 715. 2.5 inch barrel, 4 inch barrel, or 6 inch barrel. The standard ASG 715 revolver, the trigger pull is around like 8.5 pounds. After you install this magic spring, it will drop to 3 pounds trigger pulls only. So you're going to have really have fun with this revolver. So let me show you how to install it. First of all, make sure your rear sight was released to the high position. Although this cover are not allowed to remove because they have a pin lock over here. All right, so after you release the screw, then you can open the cover. All right, that's the hammer, trigger set, and the gas tank. First, we have to remove the cylinder for easy to install. Okay, the hammer, just like this. Trigger set. Okay, all right. So when you install the hammer spring, you make sure the hammer spring can go into here. They have a gap right there. You make sure the tail of the spring can go in and can move. The hammer can move. Now you can see properly. Okay. As because my hammer spring, I make slightly a little bit longer to make, because this gas tank was ejection mode, so they have different. It's not perfect size, so I slightly make a little bit longer to make sure that everyone can use my spring. If your spring is a bit longer, you just use the file to file here the end, the tail, so you can easily install and make sure you move like this. Okay, and if you want to make your hammer spring stronger, you just bend this top, just bend it up. Make it higher. Then your hammer power is higher. Okay. All right. Okay. And now that's the trigger set. That's the trigger spring. Okay. The long is at the end. The long one is at the end. We hook here. They have a gap. They have a gap here at the hand. At this hand. Put inside this gap. Okay, and then the spring go over here. Now your hand can move easily. Okay, then that's the gas tank. gas tank. This is the spring for the gas tank. This one, that's right, that's for the gas tank. Okay, all right. Use the fire to heat this copper. Not too hot, all right? Just make sure that you can open it, then we'll be fine. Not too hot. Okay, and use, this is the valve key. Please be careful, all right? It's the valve key. All right, you see that's the valve spring. Then change the original one to CL Project valve spring. Okay, tight it well. Okay, and you can try it, push it. If it works, then everything okay, put it back. Okay, this 2 screw. To lock it and hold it tight, the gas tank on the frame. Okay. Then second step, trigger. Okay. Third step, the hammer. Now you can try. Yes, it's working. All right. Now how about the cylinder spring? Just unscrew, and that's the cylinder spring. Okay. Right. Now how about the cylinder eject spring? How to open it? Remember to hit it. To hit it. This. Or those you can never. You make sure the Loctite was melted. Or those you can never open it. Okay, here we go. Okay, cylinder spring, it's right there. Okay, change it. It's a lot softer and easy to do the magazine eject. Lot easier. Okay, and after the back, we tighten it back. Okay. Then how about the barrel, the inner barrel spring? Is just hammer this 2 pin over here, that 1 pin The second pin is over there. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Well, that's the spring, where you place your spring. Okay, and put it back. And before you put the pin, you make sure this hop-up unit is working. Can go front and forward and back. And put it back the pin. Cylinder. Sorry, trigger. Cylinder. Hammer. Hammer spring. If you want to adjust your hammer spring stronger, you can bend. You can bend here. Bend up. And your hammer spring will be stronger. This one go up. This go up. Right? Then your hammer can have more tension. Okay. Now the last thing is we have to put it back, the hammer. Okay. Cover. Now everything is done. Thanks for watching.